This tutorial is going to help you how to delete the OS from a hard drive, but keep files or data. This tutorial has been specifically made for Windows users, but the given instructions can help you if you have Ubuntu or any other Linux-based operating system. To erase the operating system, the best solution is to use Windows Installation DVD or the bootable USB. If your copy of Windows is usable, first of all, transfer data of your choice from Drive C, or where Windows is installed, to another partition. After backup data, restart your machine, and boot from DVD or bootable USB, and begin the installation process. We are using the bootable USB of Windows 7. You can use the DVD or bootable USB of any Windows version. Click Next and install it. Check mark to accept the license terms, and click Next. There will be two options. Click on Custom Advanced option. Click on Drive Options Advanced. Here you have to pay full attention, otherwise, you could wipe your important data. Highlight that partition you want to erase the operating system from, and delete. Click OK to confirm to delete. After partition deletion, click on New to recreate the partition. If you want, you can create multiple partitions with this size, otherwise, leave the size as it is, and click Apply to create the partition. Partition has been created, and it erased installed operating system. This method is useful, but there is a downside of this method. You cannot format newly created partition, and the newly created partition will not be usable until you format it. You can format it in Windows. Using another PC is a straightforward and easy way to erase the installed operating system without data loss. Take out and install the hard drive to another desktop computer or laptop. You can watch video tutorials on YouTube on how to take out or install a hard drive. After installing the hard drive to another computer, move your data from Drive C of the hard drive you've just installed to another partition and format the Drive C, or any other partition, where OS is installed. If you are not good at doing technical stuff, use a USB external SATA HDD enclosure cover to connect the hard drive to another computer. You can do the same if you have multiple hard drives. For example, you have hard drive 1 and hard drive 2. You want to delete installed operating system from hard drive 1. What you need to do is install any version of Windows on hard drive 2. After the installation, from hard drive 1, you can move data and format any partition including the one Windows is installed. You just need to make sure that another computer or multiple hard drives are not virus infected. This tutorial hopefully has been useful and informative to you. We hope you have managed to delete the OS from the hard drive, and you have successfully backed up your data. Maybe some important points were missed. You may contact us via the comments section. Team Soft Suggester is committed to helping you. We recommend leaving comments in the comments section if you have a question, a suggestion, or feedback.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates.